6:41 AM. This is my village. This is our barangay Sulong. The bridge. And our house. So we'll be later. We have money fixing the house. Oh. I did not wash my face to prove all my video recorder is natural. Natural my habit every day. The ugly face is natural. If the people is not complete the process, the full image in the body is not okay. But the people completing the process, all is okay. Achieving the handsome, achieving the beauty, achieving the word, achieving the English. In studying, in the process. The calculating is the thinking, the writing is the feeling, the reading is the body. In the 10 months process, and you can use when you're completing, you can use the paper the same at the connection of the stomach in the water. Writing, just memorizing only the 27 letter and 0 until the last number. That is the studying. If you are not in the school memorizing the word of the secret knowledge and power, that is the word of the memorizing. The street, the word, the people, only memorizing. The word of the awareness of the village. The word of the aralin panlipunan. Studying at the village.